Greetings from Shiba Inu Coin, gentlemen. Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon, recently acknowledged that Shiba Inu Coin will hit $1 this year. The Japanese breed, which was still a puppy 2 years ago, has grown up and is eager to work with some of the most important organizations and businesses in the world. Shiba Inu now intends to collaborate with Amazon, the biggest e-commerce site in the world that Jeff Bezos owns and is known as the capital of drop shipping. We'll discuss what Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon, has to say about Shiba Inus in this video. To view our most recent content, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and channel buttons. Let's start the video now without further ado. Check out Shiba Inu's activities on March 6th. The price of Shiba Inu has risen to $0.2768. The market is currently moving toward the $0.3176 barrier level, while being supported by a strong bullish trend line. If the market breaks through this barrier, it may move on to its next objective at $0.354. Shiba Inu's price research shows that its relative strength index, RSI, score is 51, which denotes a stable cryptocurrency. The RSI also resides in the high neutral range. A negative trend indicates depreciation and indicates that sales are outpacing sales activity, which lowers the RSI score. According to the Shiba Inu price study, the market is in a bullish trend and has bearish potential. Currently, the market is dominated by bulls, and a turnaround seems unlikely. However, the market has a good chance of turning around, indicating a bearish future. Let's return to the topic at hand. The meme currency has increased in value by 25 million% during the past year. During that time, a 1,000 rupee investment in the token would have grown to 250 million rupees. Shiba is a community-based alternative cryptocurrency. The success of the coin is mostly dependent on the expansion of the community. Its utility is secondary in this sense. The Shiba Inu breed from Japan is eager to work with Amazon, one of the most well-known and prosperous platforms in the world. The world's largest e-commerce site, Amazon, is run by Jeff Bezos and is known as the dropshipping capital of the world. Shib and its investors stand to gain if the company is fortunate enough to take advantage of the possibility to work with Amazon. The news has raised awareness of Shiba Inu and given potential buyers more purchasing possibilities. Investors have noticed the enormous potential of collaborating with the most well-known platform and turning shipholders into overnight billionaires. In recent years, a variety of apps and virtual currencies have been released to boost the number of investors by educating them on the advantages of cryptocurrencies. Recently, traders and investors have shown a lot of interest in Shiba Inu's trading exchange Shibaswap, a cryptocurrency exchange business that is quickly expanding. There is little doubt that the Shibaswap platform will be able to raise the price of Shiba Inu, and that SHIB price and value will soon soar to new heights. Shiba Inu's new decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, which opened a while ago but is still undergoing testing to prevent any problems, is the trading platform. Developers are constantly working to make Shibaswap one of the most prosperous trading exchanges in the world, which will be very advantageous for traders and investors. In order to guarantee complete security and transparency, the network is now being examined. A trading exchange like Uniswap and PancakeSwap is Shibaswap. The trading exchange will make the newcomer more visible to cryptocurrency investors and enable investors to trade ships for other tokens on the new controlled market. The official launch of the trade market is anticipated with great anticipation by ship aficionados. We'll appreciate the developers' efforts though, as it's better to keep testing than have the release fail. Each and every well-known cryptocurrency accomplishes that. Without a doubt, Shiba Inu is proven to be the best digital asset because to its attention to even the smallest details that won't irritate its users. Social media traffic hasn't decreased as a result of the Shiba Inu's price drop. Shib mentions are displayed across over 1,000 crypto social media channels, including as Telegram groups, crypto subreddits, Discord groups, and private trade conversations, by the Sentiment Social Volume statistic. Shib's social volume significantly decreased during the May downturn, according to the measure. Let's now talk about the most important subject in this video, Jeff Bezos and Shiba Inu. The founder of Amazon and the richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, is rumored to have made several investments in cryptocurrencies, but he has kept mum on the matter. Shiba Inu has been requested as a payment method by over 23,000 signatories on a petition to Amazon, but the company has not responded. Enigmas don't keep secrets for very long before they are revealed at the appropriate time. It appears Jeff Bezos won't be able to keep this a secret for very long. According to rumors, Amazon is creating a new virtual currency that users will be able to use on its platforms. This came about as a result of the discovery of job postings for the organization's section of emerging and digital payments. Advertisements claim that the business is developing a system that will let customers convert their cash into digital currency. To create cutting-edge payment products for users in developing markets, our tech team is now working. It wouldn't be the company's only digital coin project, the Post claims. The tech behemoth has already begun developing Amazon coins, which will let customers get discounts on Kindle and Fire tablet sales. Bezos just announced his resignation as CEO of Amazon in June, underscoring the fact that he has other career objectives. Shiba Inu could be one of them. After Elon Musk recently selected Dogecoin as the best cryptocurrency in the world, it wouldn't be unprecedented for Jeff Bezos to select Shiba Inu, a competitor to Dogecoin, as the best cryptocurrency in the world that Amazon will accept. The most recent petition provides more evidence for why Shiba Inu and Amazon should collaborate. As per the petition, since Amazon does not currently accept cryptocurrency payments, many customers without access to traditional banking services are put off. The rumor that Jeff Bezos has ordered Amazon to accept cryptocurrency as acceptable forms of payment spread on social media in July 2021. Industry sources predicted that the e-commerce behemoth would begin implementing the new method of exchange as early as 2022. Following leaking information that Amazon is considering accepting Bitcoin and other well-known coins as payment, the cryptocurrency market surged. An industry insider believes that Amazon is considering using Shiba Inu as a valid form of payment at the checkout rather than Bitcoin. The speculations also said that Amazon is looking into 4 well-known cryptocurrencies, like Shiba Inu memecoin, but that they will only allow 2 of them to be transacted on their platform. Shiba Inu investors have also established an online petition urging Jeff Bezos to accept Shib as a form of payment, arguing that it can drive technological innovation and help millions of people all over the world. The first person to disclose that Amazon is prepared to accept Shiba Inu and other coins as payment in 2022 was stock and cryptocurrency expert now-bankrupt. In keeping with my sources, who claim that Amazon is now looking into numerous projects with plans to take cryptocurrency payments from at least 2 cryptos in 2022, Amazon denies having any plans to accept Bitcoin. The rumored projects that I am aware of so far are Shib. He tweeted that Shiba Inu was trading at $0.618 at the time and was down 0.96% in trade days. Matic and Hawk. According to financial specialists, the price may recover and increase by 50% from its current levels. Shiba Inu price predictions are seen from a variety of angles. According to Jordan McCreary, a founding partner of Ingrained Media, I think Shiba has some real potential to grow from its fraction of a cent amount to 1 cent or greater. According to Don Gua, the CEO of Dogecoin, for a SHIB to reach $1, its market capitalization must be $1 quadrillion. The entirety of the US, by contrast. Even with the astonishing amount of $23.3 trillion in national debt, the amount needed for SHIBs to reach that pricing point is less than 3%. It is more likely than not that SHIB will stay within its target range of less than a penny, given present patterns. Well, time will tell, but we have very high expectations, and we are starting to see some of them come true. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and channel buttons.